App Store. Okay, go here. And now install Chrome. Now we're not gonna actually install the real Chrome. We're going to search Chrome and then search remote. Oh, I don't know how to spell it. Chrome remote. And you type Chrome remote, and this is the app, Chrome remote desktop. Then this is only for Apple, so. And this is what it looks like. You can use it on mostly everything. So I already have it. I can already open it. So once you're here, you do not do this yet. Don't do anything yet. So first go on your computer, and then hold on. I'm just gonna type in that. No. Okay. I'm just gonna close all this stuff before we even get to it. Okay, so once you're on your computer here, you need to go to Google Chrome. And you have to type Chrome Remote Desktop. Chrome Remote Desktop. There we go. Okay, once you're here, you're going to need a computer for this, so if you didn't know that. Okay, once you're here at Home Remote Desktop, add that to your, wait, don't do that. Go here, and then type access my computer and share my screen. If you can, I think you can do one of them. I haven't been on this in a while. But then access my computer. And you might see something that you have to add here. You have to add something here. For me, I only have this because I'm already using it. So now you're going to need to, but now you know what you're going to need to do. You're going to need to install an OS. Now you can you can install Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10. Really can install any OS, any computer OS, MS-DOS, anything. And then once you install one of those operating systems, you can install most of them. And then search VMware. And then once VMware comes up, I'm just gonna search a VMware workstation download. Once you do this and press this. But this is the Pro version. And you want the free version, right? So we're gonna go down here, and then we're gonna go download now. And then actually downloaded it, so I don't want that to download. Okay, I don't want that to download. Okay, and once it's done loading here, you're gonna want to install. So first you have to create new virtual machine and press. Well, if you want to, you can do this. Really. And installing Windows 95. You can do anything really. And we have version Microsoft, and you can pick through any of this stuff. We got Windows 2000 Professional. Windows 2000 Professional is what I will pick. Okay, finish. And then you have Windows 2000 Professional. You can really choose from the Windows 10 2015, or you can choose any Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8.1. So first, and then click this, and then put it in the full screen. And once you're here, oh, and also and for the Chrome thing, you have to like enter everything that it says, and then once you gotta click the 3 lines here. You have to zoom out first because it's like this, and then you gotta zoom out, and then you have to do when it says the trackpad mode, touch that, and boom. Okay, while this is loading, come on. It's doing something. You can't press Control Alt. You can't do nothing about it. Nothing is okay. Okay, I don't see anything happening. Hold on. Let me just. Okay, so if something like this happens, do not go on your computer, in which I'm gonna do. So hold on. Okay, and once you do that, if that happens, okay, go back to the VMware Workstation player. Okay, I'll delete that later. But I'm gonna actually add a new one. Okay, so it's gonna be Windows 95 now. And it will be Windows 95. Okay, and then we're gonna go to next. Just keep going to finish. Boom, we got Windows 95. Okay, once this starts, okay, now we actually see something. VMware. Okay, let me see what it wants me to do. Okay. Just loading network boot. Okay, so some of the stuff. It's doing something. It's doing something. Okay. It says this. Do that again. So the thing here that you want to do, look at that. Now the thing that you want to do actually is not Okay, first I'm gonna delete those two later. And if I go here, do not press this, okay? Do not press this. Press this. And then you'll get it. Do not do the stuff that I just did. And then you can install your thing here. You press browse and install it from there. But do not press that button. So for this, I'm gonna just install, go here, and install Windows 95. Yep, this font, and just press finish, and then that will add that. Okay, I'm just gonna use that for now. You could use anything, it will look different than this. Oh, for this you gotta click it and then press enter. Enter. I don't have up down keys. Oh. Continue. See all this stuff. Starting Windows 95. Now, if this does not work, I will use another one. As we head toward Tuesday, you see some moisture trying to work its way up the coast, and we could be looking at a couple of showers and thunderstorms, especially Tuesday. Now, if we did anything that I just did, do not do that. Okay. You can install any. You'll get the hang of it eventually. Because you know where everything is, like network adapters on top of the bar. Shut down really. So if this does not work, I'll show you what's gonna work. So this, VMware has all the drivers. So network adapters, systems, really anything. Need to boot from disks. Just wait until that's done. Now you cannot, once you click on your mouse, you cannot, you have to press Control and Control Alt to release the mouse cursor from the thing. You cannot control your computer from, because if you press the Windows key, that will do nothing. There's nothing that you can do. You can only do that on the PC itself. So we got 77 available here. Okay, so once this is done, I never tried this before. Once that is done, okay. Oh, 100% of our format. Okay, and then you just have to. Okay, for this, I'm gonna just press. Oh, I can't. Okay, I can't do that. I can't press escape. Oops. Okay. So once that downloads, all that. Okay, and there we go. Yes, I did. Okay, and once. Okay, and then once you're here at any setup, really, and what you have to do is I'm actually controlling it on the real thing now, so you can. It is kind of broken for this one. If you don't want to use this OS here that I'm using, it's really just a pain. You guys, that's not what's actually on the thing. There we go. So, you know that Windows 95 is not bootable anymore. Oh, see, stuff like that can happen. Sometimes that can happen. That can happen. So we're just gonna do that. Okay, and the one that I'm actually going to test is Windows 7. You always, guys, you should know Windows 7. Windows 7 is always the classic ones. Okay. So, if you guys can, like, okay, so first we're gonna install with the best one, the Windows 8. So, now, try the, okay, and I'm gonna try the Windows 8. There we go. Okay, and then click this button up here. That will put it in full screen. It probably paused again. It's not. Oh, there it is. And boom. There we go. You'll have to set Windows 8.1 and 7 up and 10 and do whatever you're using. Has to be bootable. Whatever it is, it has to be bootable. So here we go, boom, and here we are. It won't look like this. You have to wait until your setup is there. And you can, instead of actually using the trackpad, you can use touch mode. So you can literally touch it. You can literally touch anything. Most things are really not compatible with it. You might have to use this to go here and go in the start menu. Now you see the store here. Store, it does work. I don't know how it still works. But some of this stuff here is, we got Hero Plus. And you really have everything here. We got categories, games. You can go to games. Some of the games might not load, as you can see here. All these games here. Games will not load. Some stuff here will not load. It's nice and green. And then you can have Windows. Oh, see, sometimes like that can happen. Because, yeah. The Windows Store really doesn't work. Okay. Oh, you can also disable the Wi-Fi here. You can't, I don't know how to left click on it, but and you can go here and you can really You have to left click on this and then you can turn that off. And you can really work anything. So really like anything. Xbox games, you can do anything. That's how good this is. We'll play a game here. Oh, we can try this game. Okay, we're gonna use add max account. I am not gonna put my personal details on here. It's just a virtual machine. Okay, we'll use that. I'll just create a new account. Yes, there is. Yeah. Now, if we do something free here from the store, go to the racing games here. We got off-road racing, so it's a 2D game. Now, some of the stuff here will tell you to switch to a Microsoft and create a new Microsoft account. Now you can use the virtual machine account. So you just gotta type thing here, whatever it says. Mine is M&M. Put that. And the password is, okay, for the password you just need to enter 0, because and we will reset the password online. So, yep, see stuff. Okay, this is Windows Explorer. And you can recover your account. Let's click next. And they don't recognize it. But that's what the account is. You're ready to go on anything. I don't think Roblox would work. Roblox works on the is it will work? Will it work? Yeah, see, it won't work. Okay, and we're gonna shut this down. And we're gonna go to our buddy Windows 7. Class key window. You can also see the virtual machine effects here. Some of the stuff over here. I don't know what this stuff is. This is the virtual machine thing back here. Glitches. Something. Okay. I'm gonna go back here. Okay. Let's see which one we can pick. It's the virtual machine. How are you doing? Okay, we're gonna go to Windows 7. Windows 7 is powered off. We'll go there. Put that there. Okay, while everything is booting up here, VMware. It says VMware for a reason. And starting Windows. This is like the most classic-y, so classic-y, and it just goes boom. That's how cool it is. How they did it back then. Okay, and wow. Okay, and it won't actually look as this screen size here. Now you can change this by going into control panel, and you go here and then adjust screen resolution and go up here to 2018 by 10.4. Okay, that was actually the wrong one. Oh, here we go. Okay, and once, wait. Okay, so this is the wrong one. This is just too big for anything. Oh, what is happening here? Don't pick that, okay? Don't ever pick that. Okay, but now actually do what I'm doing. So go to our control panel. Adjust screen resolution. Press this. Go down to this right here. Alright, and apply that. Apply. And keep those changes. And press OK, and then you can leave that, and boom. And this is what it will look like. It does look. This is the whole basic version, so there's only Windows Media Player, not Windows. And you can also see some of the stuff. The wildlife in HD. This is stuff that was actually on. Yeah, it is laggy for some reason. And you got more stuff. You got music, videos. This is stuff that's built onto the thing here. You might see stuff like Action Center. All this old stuff. We got virus protection. And we can find a program online, but Windows Explorer will not work. Sorry, Windows. That is a very old version of Windows Explorer. And we can set it back up. It's kind of like the Windows era thing. It is slow. Okay, we're just gonna. This is what I want to save it to. Let Windows choose. Okay, I'll let Windows choose. Alright, and then we gotta back up. One that's lowering. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. And then boom, we're back here to Windows Media Player. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Now you're talking about where is Windows, and where's the Windows, what was it called? Windows Media Player? It was called another thing that was here. Oh, it was called Media Center. Windows Media Center. Well, if you type Windows Media Center here, Windows Media Player. It will show up as Windows Media Player. Now you can actually go to that. You can go to the Internet Explorer here, and you can and you can add here. This looks. So we got Bing over here. It looks so upgraded. Okay, and then we're just gonna type. You can type any web browser. We can install Edge. We'll install Edge. I don't know how to spell Edge, so I'll just do Chrome. I know how to spell Chrome. Well, install Chrome. Here we go. See this? Okay. We can launch this. Oh, yeah. Some displays. And this says browsers out of date. And some of the stuff here is, yeah, some of the stuff really doesn't work. You cannot install the thing on here. And that's going to be the end of the video. So, bye guys.